In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to restart and reset taskbar in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. So first of all, you need to proceed to the keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape key together, and in that way, you'll be able to bring up the task manager. Again, it is Ctrl, Shift, and Escape key together. The Escape key is being shortened. It is being set as ESC. Okay, so press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape key together, and in that way you'll be able to bring up the task manager, or either press Ctrl Alt and Delete key together and choose task manager, and in that way you'll be able to bring this one. So first you need to proceed to the left pane and locate for processes. So if you in your case you haven't seen any of these options, you can click on these three lines here, and in that way you'll be able to see this list of the options. So proceed to the processes, and here at the processes you need to scroll down and locate for Windows Explorer. You may wonder why we need to restart the Windows Explorer. We need to restart the Windows Explorer because the moment we will restarted it, the task manager will be the taskbar, sorry, the taskbar would be restarted as well. In that way, we will be able to restart the taskbar. So by that, make a right click and click on restart. And in a few moments, you will be able to restart your taskbar. Okay? So before we proceed to the resetting of the taskbar, if you would like to reset the taskbar, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. Okay, so in order to reset the taskbar, all you need to do is you need to press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to open a small window called Run. Or simply make a right click at the the start, go with Run, and that way you'll be able to bring this small window. So I'll be including this run command at the description box below. So all you need to do is you need to copy it. It is C colon / Windows / system 32 / ctfmon.exe. Don't worry because I'll be including this at the description box below as what I have said earlier. So you can paste it here. So click on the OK button and that way you'll be able to reset the taskbar. Okay? So just have to restart your computer and there you have it. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.